If your coding agent can write faster than your security review can read, the risky part is no longer just the code. It is the gap before it ships. Anthropic's Claude Security beta is built for that gap, an on-demand multi-agent vulnerability scan inside a Claude Code session. But it is not a free background guardrail. It needs a paid Claude plan, dynamic workflows, time, and tokens. And its scans are non-deterministic. Before you spend any of those, here is what the plugin actually does, what it writes to your repo, and where it fits beside the tools you already trust. The first proof is the official teaser. You choose a scan scope and an effort level before work begins. A deep scan of a whole repository is a different decision from checking one risky directory or the diff you are about to merge. Claude Security starts inside the Claude Code session you already have open. It does not launch a separate security appliance or add an isolation boundary. Install it from the official marketplace with /plugin install Claude Security at Claude Plugins Official. Then reload plugins in the same session. If the marketplace is missing, Anthropic documents an add marketplace command first. Once active, /Claude Security opens 3 jobs: scan a codebase, scan changes, or suggest patches. The codebase route can cover a full repository or a focus scope. The change route can target a branch diff, a pull request diff, or one commit. Before it starts, the plugin reads enough of the repository to make scope concrete, which directories hold code, how large the tree is, whether a useful diff exists, and what the relative cost will be. You choose the scope, or let the workflow suggest a default. Nothing starts until you confirm. There are setup gates. Anthropic lists Claude Code version 2.1.154 or later on a paid plan, with dynamic workflows enabled. Python 3.9.6 or later must be on your path. Linux, macOS, and Windows are supported. Git is required for change scans and patch flows. Every scan counts against plan usage limits, can take time and tokens, and needs Claude Code left open while it completes. The quality claim is the verifier layer. A candidate finding is not supposed to become a report entry because one agent noticed something suspicious. Independent verifier agents try to disprove it from the code itself. Findings that cannot survive that challenge are discarded. That does not make the system complete, but it makes the output more useful than a long pile of unranked guesses. When a scan finishes, the result is a timestamped Claude Security directory in the repository. Inside are 3 primary artifacts: a human-readable results report, solve findings for tooling, and a revision file that records the commit, effort, severity counts, and verification coverage. The report stays tied to the exact code revision it describes. The trust boundary remains explicit in the official source proof. The plugin uses the current session permissions and adds no isolation. The second use case is the one most engineering teams will recognize: scan only the changes before merge. Instead of rereading a giant codebase for every pull request, point the plugin at a branch, a PR diff, or one commit. The plugin still applies its review bar to findings it reports, while the scope keeps the work proportional to the decision in front of you. If a finding needs a fix, choose Suggest Patches. The plugin uses an existing report or can run a fresh scan first. It generates candidate patch files in a scratch copy, not in your working checkout. Independent agents review the proposed change, and tests run when the project has them. The result is a patch file beside the report, plus an explanation of what changed and how to apply it. It never applies or commits that patch automatically. You review it, then run git apply yourself if it earns that trust. The verdict is practical. If you already use Claude Code and you have an important release, a sensitive area, or a branch about to merge, the plugin gives you a documented way to ask for a multi-agent deep scan and receive reviewed evidence. Budget for paid plan usage, preserve the trust boundary, and keep deterministic scanners running beside it. The official docs and plugin source are the right next stop before you install it. One final practical rule: use the report as a decision document, not a scorecard. Read the exploit path, preconditions, confidence, and revision stamp before prioritizing a finding. That is how the beta can make a release review more deliberate without turning security into another automated checkbox. That is how the beta can make a release review more deliberate without turning security into another automated checkbox.